Good day everyone. So today we're gonna learn about HTML images. So we'll just put this picture into the web page. To do that, let's edit this HTML file. So in the head tag, we have the title. Let's name it as HTML images. Then we have the metadata. So first is the char set. We have UTF-8 here. Then the keywords. So the keywords, as stated in the earlier lessons, is used to add tags for your file. So in here, we're gonna add HTML images. So after that, we're done with the head tag. So let's move on to the body tag. To add the image, we need to use the img tag. So with the img, we need the source and the alt. So the alt is used for the alternate text, so that if the image fails to load, the text here will be the one that appears inside. So let's put alternate text here. Then the source is the destination of your image file. So in this case, it's blue. So let's put the blue.jpg. So let's run this. So as you can see, the image appeared on the web page. However, we can still resize this image so that it can become bigger or smaller. So what we need to do is that we need to put width and the height here. So the measurements used in HTML is by pixels. So let's try 100 by 80. So this is the size of the 100 by 80 pixels. Now let's try to enlarge it by using 1000 by, let's say, 590. So it basically gets bigger. Manipulate the width, it's get wider. So next, why is it needed to put the extension? So that it will recognize the file itself. So if it's just the blue one, it will put the alternate text. So the next thing we're gonna learn is that if the image is on an external folder, so we have the red.jpg here on the new folder. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna put the folder name, which is new, then the file name. So based from this, the image that gonna appear is the red picture. So what if this HTML is in this folder and we're gonna access the blue.jpg? So let's edit this. So in order to access it, we need two dots, then the file name. So the two dots here signifies that it will go back one folder from its current position. In this case, it's from new to this folder. So let's run this, and the blue one will appear. Put the red here, and the red one will appear. So there are other cases, such as if you have an image, let's say online. So let's search Google and search for green. So let's copy the image address, then paste it here. So that the one that's gonna appear is the green one. So that's all for today. Thank you.